a quick tip on how to soothe a cough caused by post-nasal drip. When you have post-nasal drip, excess mucus drains from the nose and sinuses to the throat. This can cause a cough. Using saline sprays or nasal irrigation can help to rinse out the nose by flushing out the cough-inducing mucus from the nasal passage. You do this by tilting your head over a sink and using a neti pot, nasal cup or bulb syringe to pour salt water in one nostril and let it drain out of the other. Try it out!